Let me call 911.
Stop.
Get your fucking...
Wait, please, sir, stop. Stop, wait, stop. Mom, chill out, Mom, please, wait, stop, sir, please, stop. Wait, sir, stop, please, stop. Wait, stop. Okay.
Let's pause right here. Why can the officer use physical force? Many drivers think their car is a safe zone. They think they can lock the doors and just say no. But they are completely wrong. The law is very strict. The Supreme Court ruled years ago that police have the absolute power to order you out of your car. This applies to every single traffic stop. The officer does not need a special reason. They do not need to explain it. You just have to obey. When you disagree with police, the street is not the place to argue. You go to court for that. By staying in her seat, she is not just arguing. She is actively breaking the law by resisting a legal order. When someone ignores direct commands, police are legally allowed to use physical force to take control. They do not have to negotiate. They do not have to wait for a supervisor. The officer has the full backing of the law. Let's watch what happens.
That's littering. Step out of the car.
No, don't do that. Fuck off my car.
Out.
I'm not stepping out.
Please stop. No, stop, please, I'm scared. Stop. Wait, stop.
A traffic stop in Hurst, Texas, is about to ignite a national controversy. A short cell phone video showing a mother being pulled from her SUV by the neck goes viral online, sparking outrage and allegations of excessive police force. But authorities say the viral clip deliberately hides how the encounter actually began. On January 16th, 2026, Corporal Brandon Morgan pulls over Taneisha Thompson after clocking her driving 40 miles per hour through an active 25-mile-per-hour school zone. Thompson is traveling with her 15-year-old son. When asked for her documents, the interaction is tense. Thompson is dismissive and disputes the violation, stating she never saw a school zone.
Hi there. I'm Corporal Morgan with the Hurst Police Department. The reason why you're getting stopped, you were just driving through a school zone going 40. It's a 25 through there. Do you have your driver's license proof of insurance with you today? Where y'all heading to this afternoon?
Home.
Coming from?
Why?
Just a question.
It's none of your business.
I'm sorry?
It's none of your business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Do you have your insurance?
I'm showing the back.
Any reason for the hurry this afternoon?
I wasn't in a hurry. I didn't even see a school.
Oh, there's a flashing signal as you were driving through, directly on the side of the roadway. Can I see your phone? That's good till March. Let me go check on your license. I'll be right back with you. I'll just stay in the car for me.
After checking her information, Corporal Morgan returns to issue a standard speeding ticket. That's when the encounter shifts.
Okay, Taneisha, you'll be receiving a citation today for the speed. I just need to get a signature from you. This is not an admission of guilt.
I'm not.
It's a promise. You're not going to sign it?
No, I'm not.
That's fine. I'll just put refuse. I need to get the VIN number on the car real quick. I'll enter that. I'll print you your copy and send you on your way.
Thompson refuses to take the citation, and Morgan drops it onto her lap. Seconds later, Thompson picks it up and throws it out the window.
Where's your registration sticker on the car?
I just bought this car, so I'm waiting for it.
Okay.
Any more questions?
I'm just asking.
Okay. That's
Do you have your bill of sale with the car then?
all. No, I don't.
Okay, you should probably carry that with you if you're not going to display your registration sticker.
Well, I wasn't told that, so you might need to get updated on the laws.
All right, give me just a second. Here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it?
No.
Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering. Step out of the car.
Legally, that changes everything. Throwing the ticket becomes a separate offense for littering. Morgan immediately orders her to step out of the vehicle.
That's littering. Step out of the car.
Don't
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am. Step
car.
out.
I'm not stepping
Step
out.
out. 69163.
Yes.
Step out.
I'm not.
Step out. Step out.
Don't touch
Step
me.
out.
Don't touch me.
Step
Don't
it out.
I'm not stepping
Step
out
out.
of shit. Call
Step
your
out.
motherfucking supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
You're not the.
She refuses and demands a supervisor. Morgan informs her he is the highest-ranking officer on duty.
I'm not stepping out of shit.
Call
Step
your
out.
motherfucking
I am the
supervisor.
supervisor.
You're not the supervisor.
Yes, I am.
Call your
I am the
supervisor.
corporal.
A
Step
supervisor.
out.
I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
out of
Mom,
nothing.
chill out.
Get
Mom,
your
chill out.
fucking hand off
Please
me.
chill out. Mom,
Get
please
your
chill
hand
out.
off me. Get your hand off me. I will step
Step
out when the supervisor.
I
I'm
am
not
the
stepping out of
supervisor.
nothing.
Ma'am.
Get your hand off.
Commands to exit are repeated, but she continues to refuse, stating she doesn't trust him.
I was very scared, and that's when I finally said, let me start recording, only because I never thought that situation was going to play out like that at all. But I knew that he was just doing too much. I was very scared. Like, that is the main reason I did not want to get out of the car. I feel bad for my son that he had to see me, that way. I know he's really hurt behind that.
At this point, Morgan opens the car door and attempts to remove her. What follows is a physical struggle.
Step out of the car.
No, just don't
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that.
Yes, ma'am.
Off my
Step
car.
out.
I'm not stepping
Step out.
Look.
69163.
Yes.
Step out.
I'm not
Step out.
Body cam footage shows Morgan grabbing Thompson's arm.
Step it out.
I'm not stepping
Step
out
out.
of shit. Call
Step
your
out.
motherfucking supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
You're not the supervisor.
Yes, I am.
Call your
I am the
supervisor.
corporal.
A
Step
supervisor.
out.
I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
out of nothing. Get
Step
your
out.
fucking hand off me.
Please chill out.
Get
Step
your
out.
hand off me. Get your hand off me. I will step
Step
out
out.
when the supervisor.
I
I'm
am
not
the
stepping
supervisor.
out of nothing.
Ma'am.
Get your hand off me.
Taneisha.
Get your hand off
I'm not letting
me.
go.
You littered. You
I
dropped
am
the
not.
ticket, not me.
I put the ticket in
No,
the car
you dropped the
because
ticket,
that's your
not
copy.
me. You dropped the ticket, not me. Get your hands off me.
Take the ticket
you're
and
touching
go.
Me. Give me the ticket. You're touching me forcibly. You're holding me
Because
too tight, and you're being out of line.
you are resisting.
Y'all see this, right?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Stop.
Can she just get the ticket?
No, you stop.
Stop.
Why are you holding my arm like
Because
this?
I gave you the
Why?
ticket,
No, you
then
did
you
not.
proceeded
You
to throw
dropped
it.
the ticket.
I
not
put it
me.
in your car,
I told you I did
and
not
you
want
proceeded
it.
to throw it out of the
dropped
car.
You dropped it. You're doing too much. I'm not afraid of you. Get
That's
your hand
fine,
off of
but
me.
I've asked you
You're
to step
holding
out of
me
the car.
forcibly for no reason.
Because you need to step
Get
out
your
of the
fucking
car.
hands off
Step
me.
out of the car.
No, what am I stepping out of the car
Is there
for?
anything I can do to get you to comply?
Look, Mom, he just said
To
take the ticket.
comply.
You threw the car out of the car.
No, I did not. You did that.
He said
You
take
threw
the
the
ticket
ticket at me.
I gave
Up
it
to
you.
this point, the officer had already asked her multiple times to step out of the vehicle. She continued to refuse and asked for a supervisor instead. When a driver refuses lawful orders during a traffic stop, officers can remove the person from the vehicle and place them under arrest. This is why the officers now decide to physically remove her from the car.
To comply.
You threw the car out of the car.
No, I did not. You did that. You
take
threw
the
the
ticket
ticket at me.
I gave it to you so you
threw
could
the
leave,
ticket at
and then
me.
you grabbed it
Okay,
and threw it out.
give me the
It's on
ticket.
your phone video.
Give me the ticket.
It's no,
Give me the
we're
ticket.
past that.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Step
For
out of the
what?
car, littering.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
You're under arrest.
No, when the
Yes, ma'am.
When your colonel gets
No,
here,
we are
then I
beyond
will
that.
Step out.
Step
I'm not
out.
getting out of the car.
Step out.
I'm with my child, and I'm not
I
doing
understand
that.
you're with
Call
your
father
child.
right now.
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
Step
I'm
out
not.
of the
I'll
car.
step out when another officer gets here. I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
I don't trust you. You're holding me too strong.
Because
I don't trust you.
I don't trust
You don't
you to
have
not
to hold
leave.
me like I'm not going anywhere. Where am I going to
I
go?
will stop holding
I'm not
you if
gonna
you
go
step out of the
anywhere.
car.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
You need to
Call
step
your
out of the
colonel
car.
And I will get out of the car.
This is
You're
resisting
holding me.
arrest.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Because you're not
what am I
answering
under
my
arrest
order.
For?
Littering.
What am I under arrest for? I didn't litter.
You
did
threw the
that.
ticket out
no,
the
I did not.
window.
You did that. You did that. It's all on camera.
You're
so
correct.
when your colonel gets here, then I will step out. I have my child with me.
I am the
I'm not
corporal.
getting out of. You have a supervisor. Okay.
I am the supervisor
so
on
when your
duty.
supervisor gets here,
He
then
is
I
not.
will step
I am
out
the
of
highest
car.
ranking
Call
supervisor.
someone else
I don't
to
have
come
anyone
here.
else.
There is someone else.
Not right now.
There is someone
You
else.
need to
Let me
step
call
out of the car.
911.
Stop.
Get your
Stop.
phone.
Get out.
Wait, stop, Mom, chill
Get
out, Mom.
out.
Wait, stop, sir, please stop.
Stop. Get out.
Stop, please stop.
Stop.
Wait, stop.
Get out, man.
Stop.
As backup arrives, she is pulled from the driver's seat, taken to the ground, and handcuffed while her son can be heard pleading from inside the car.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
How am I going to roll over?
Roll over. Roll over. Lower to the left. Pull your hand up. All you had to do is take the ticket and leave.
Over 13, one female's detained.
She's in custody.
She is arrested and charged with resisting arrest, speeding, and littering. The story explodes online after Thompson uploads her cell phone footage. Her attorney claims excessive force, citing a black eye and a busted lip, requiring stitches.
Being the ones with the training, being the ones with a license and the professionals in the situation, it was on him to do what he could to issue the ticket as his job required and to move on.
Police strongly dispute those claims. In response, the Hurst Police Department releases full body cam footage. The police chief states an internal investigation found the excessive force complaint unfounded. The department concluded Morgan acted lawfully and used force only after repeated refusals. The Tarrant County District Attorney's Office has accepted the resisting arrest charge, while Thompson's legal team continues pursuing civil action.
Get my phone.
In there.
I'm Chief Billy Keatle with the Hurst Police Department. Corporal Morgan acted in full accordance with the law and with our department's policies, and the department stands firmly behind his actions. The Tarrant County District Attorney's Office has reviewed all the evidence we submitted, and they have accepted the charge of resisting arrest against Taneisha Thompson.
The incident later became a big topic online, with people debating whether the force used was necessary or not. Police say the arrest happened because she refused lawful orders, while her legal team claims excessive force was used. What started as a school zone speeding stop ended in an arrest, a viral video, and an ongoing legal case. This was just one case. There are many more stories to uncover. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
Hey, yeah, they arrested her. I don't know, bro. She was tweaking. Yeah, she was